Welcome back to my channel Jagdish Tech. So guys, today we talk about the hard disks, and if your laptop hard disk boot server not found, so you can firstly restart and then press F11 and boot order, and here you can see boot order, USB floppy and network adapter and CD drive, and यहाँ पे no notable no hard drive. Then if you here found no hard drive, so this is the difficulty, this is the fault, and this fault may be uh, for the solution, and enter your hard disk, remove your hard disk and re-enter then again in your laptop. Then this is proper solution, and here you can see in the PC and my laptop. So here this is the memory byte, and then press ESC continue, and so hard disk test, then again hard disk test running, and then after this is so here, and I have to press F2 system diagnostic, and then complete information in system diagnostic, and then again here you can see, and then after wait some time, then boot server not found. This is the main problem in your PC, boot server not found, and then press F11, then F11, then complete information in boot server not found, and boot server in boot server in here is the cancel memory test, and hard disk not exist, and see here you found hard disk not exist. This is the problem, hard disk not found, and this is the problem, and this problem may be solution by reinserting your hard disk, and press F11, then complete information. Thank you so much, and this is the running test, and here this is the memory test, F1 system information, F2 startup test, and F3 running test, and here is running test, and then we can cancel it ESC, and then press F11. Error log maybe display if you enter F11 error log, then display any my computer, I have laptop, and here is the detailed information in your system, and earring point in your PC. So this is the major problem, and in this problem the solution by inserting hard disk, and reinsert hard disk, then a proper solution. You can see here detailed information in your system, and diagnostic log. Here you can see hard disk 3F0. If your PC show 3F0 hard disk and the hard disk drive not found, so this is the problem. This is the also problem. 3F0 hard disk not found. So this problem solution is removing hard disk and reinsert hard disk. Then complete setup, complete solution. Thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe and share Jagdish Tech. Thanks so much.